Right, so just got home and noticed a little bit of talking on any news about spallation. Port blog was talking about it. I did see the video. It's quite interesting stuff. But theory. So just have a look at some of the facts here. See how they all fed up. But so I just went to Hungary again, and I'm going to show you this. 31st, didn't get even, well, sometime in the morning, the switch off, right, and we got to 3,200 nanosieverts, nearly, and then basically, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly whip through these. Right, so we've got another Hungary here, and, quite reasonable. About 120 nanosieverts, 0.12 microsieverts, and of course we've got it turned off. It briefly came on sometime late on the 29th, but that's just showing you a switch off, and basically we'll go to Germany, and we're looking at BE7 Oh, hang on a minute, I just had a horrible thought. Right, okay, I'm going to put that over there for a moment. So we're back at in Germany, and we're PB214. As you can see, it's going up, it's going down, and it stopped on the 31st. You can also notice quite a lot of missing data points, I think. There seems to be a big jump between the 27th and the sort of, what should I say, the 30th nearly, with no data points. So where did that go? But in either event, that's I think we got up to about sort of 5 becquerel there. So just get this one out of the way for a moment. 5 becquerel there, and you should be able to see that. And when we're going to Germany, we go to 18 becquerel. We're going more south in Germany now, and 18 stopped on the 31st, but I haven't updated it because some of the isotopes have gone off the Eurodac map. So I've got these. I just had these on my computer, right? So I was going to show you them. There you are. And when we go a bit more north, Germany, basically we come up to about 10 becquerel per meter cubed in PB, as you can see. That's on the 31st. Once again, data points missing, but we knew that because they stopped when we were. I've got that on the video, and that's from Petersburg, Germany. And then basically, once again, when we're going to Nürburgring, Germany, which was further north, I seem to remember, I hope. This was done last night, so we got up to about 9 becquerel, data points missing, 31st, but once again I can't refresh at the moment because I might lose it. Now we got up to Finland here. I was talking about this one was BE7, and you can see what's happening there. There's been a lot of that. Now that's the only monitor that measures BE7. There was other monitors before, but they've all stopped. But this one just popped up, literally, as you can see. Now it's a very low measurement, but I'm just saying further north we're getting low measurements. So, but we have no BE7 to compare, so I shall leave that. Now with Finland, we've got BE7 again. Just to let you know, if we go further north, we're getting lower amounts of BE7. So it's not an east-west thing, it's a north-south thing. BE7 once again from Finland, another monitor station. I just went through them all, and the further north you go, the lower the Finland once again, and I think this is the northernmost one, and as you can see, about the same as the other more northerly ones. The most southerly one has that spike. Then I went to Germany for BE7 because that was up at the time, so I grabbed that. Garmisch, good grief, Partenkirchen, Germany. Right, I love German. I'm going to have to learn it one day. In becquerels per metre squared, and it's got up to about 13, 14 becquerels per metre squared. So that's more southerly. And then once again Germany, BI214. Roll along there, you can see missing data points, and polylines joined them up, and obviously they use those straight lines that hide the gaps. So northern Germany, northern must be in North Germany, but anyway, it only goes up to 6 becquerels, so the higher is in the south once again. We've got cobalt 60, which we get quite a high measurement down south, and in the Imatra, Finland, these are very low amounts once again, you know, to the power of 7, -7, so it's 0.00006, and but we're getting 3, so I think it's 0.3 becquerel per metre cubed further south, so you know there is some sort of comparison there. To the top of Finland for cobalt 60, and as you can see, very small amounts to the power of 7, actually power of 6 these are actually, but and that's just a study, but there is a measurement there, and I just thought I'd show that. So, but that's further up north. Once again, what's that it's pronounced? Rovaniemi, I think. And Finnish is even worse than Norwegian. Drovna, Slovenia. I think I must have been in Slovenia in a past life. 0.4, and that's CS134. Once again, that's some of these CSs are measured up in Finland to very small amounts. We're getting about 0.4 there. You'll get 0.000. Here we are in Imatra, Finland, CS134. I'm so glad that Finnish one came on. It really does make it easy to prove this. To the power of 5, this one. Oh, sorry, power of 6, I should say again, but lower, very low. Drovna, Slovenia, and we've got CS137. We've got a nice little peak there, going up to just over 0.3 becquerel. And we go to Imatra, Finland, CS137, and we've got 0.00000 type thing. It's very small, but as you can see, it is registering. Drovna, Slovenia, iodine 131, as mentioned, and we're getting about once again 0.3. But you know, we've got switch offs, we've got cut-offs. You know, there's not a lot going on there, and all of a sudden this kind of little spike out of the middle of nowhere, and you know, you can make it what you will. I think that's a switch off. I think we're just catching the back end of it. That's what I think. But it says 0.3, and you know, we go somewhere like Norway, which I think was mentioned. I do keep an eye on that one, being a Norwegian lemmus in a previous life, obviously. So we've got sort of point, you know, to the power of 6 again, very similar to Finland, iodine 131. You know, so you just have to work that out. So we have Drobna, Slovenia, iodine 132, slightly less, which it would be, just under 0.13, but you know, we'll switch off the 0 marks and then poof, just one data point. Drobna, Slovenia, there's the dates, but once again, I daren't try and reboot these because they may not be there now. I went to Slovenia for a bit of T gamma. I don't know why I went there, but as you can see, it's all bubbly. And that's it really. So I tried the BE, which should be up here in Finland somewhere, but unfortunately it's not. That's it. I just thought I'd fill that in, and you know, you can do your own sort of sleuthing on Eurodep as well. And I hope you enjoy it. Take care, and I love your port log, by the way. Don't worry, keep up the good work, geezer. We've got an inbound sun flare sometime in February, I believe, so we'll all be clutching our Geiger counters then. Take care.